Hi guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to uh, of how Snapchat available Hindi song. So before proceeding, please like, share and subscribe so that you will never miss any updates. So now I'm going to show you how Snapchat available Hindi song. So now we're going to on Snapchat, and Snapchat has available in Hindi song. So we will click the sound here, sound, click sound, and then there's a lot of Hindi song here that are available. You can choose any one which you wanted or you like it. You can choose it. Then after you choose it, you can choose any song, any Hindi song, and then after you choose, then click it, and then here it will appear on the screen, the Hindi song, and and that's it guys of how of Snapchat available in Hindi song. And thank you for watching our video, and I hope you like it.